Good morning, Legion. Some good near moves to start and then a stacked AI block of news. Let's dive right into it. Kicking things off, Near Intent is now powering deposits into CallShot on Solana. CallShot is a fantasy sports app, and with this integration, users can fund their accounts from any chain through Near Intents. Another product plugging Intents in as the cross-chain layer, and another Solana native app going through Near for liquidity. Staying on the Near side, the team will be at Consensus Miami this week for a working forum on privacy and sovereignty in the agentic economy. The lineup includes leaders from payments infrastructure, major asset managers, and top DeFi platforms. If you're at Consensus, find the Near session and come through. Speaking of the agentic economy, the AI side had a very heavy week last week. Microsoft and OpenAI just restructured a major piece of their partnership, whereby Microsoft will no longer pay a share of its revenue to OpenAI. OpenAI will keep paying Microsoft a share of its revenue through 2030, and Microsoft remains the primary cloud partner. But OpenAI now also runs on Amazon, Google, and Oracle. Staying with Anthropic, they dropped a coalition of creative tool integrations. Connectors are now live for Adobe, Canva, Blender, Autodesk, and many more, letting Claude work directly inside the software creative pros already use. Anthropic Labs also launched Claude Design, a new product for visualizing software ideas with export to Canva. They also joined the Blender Development Fund as a patron to support the open source 3D suite. That Microsoft OpenAI split is the headline of the week. Two companies that built the AI boom together are now actively building around each other, with Microsoft openly leaning on Anthropic for Copilot and OpenAI lining up its own cloud roster ahead of an possible IPO. The Frontier Lab map is getting redrawn in real time, and that's all the backdrop for what Near AI and Ironclaw are building into. Lock in with the Legion. We'll do this all again real soon.